You caught me. I'm at NC State's School of Textiles Biomedical Lab. I don't even know why they let me in here, because I have no idea what I'm doing. But they do.
This is the ReScenter.
Our patented bag called ReScenter was invented by two NC State College of Textiles professors. The ReScenter bag infuses natural essential oils into your socks after washing. There has never been a totally sustainable method to maintain the benefits of aromatherapy in clothing, increasing health and well-being. How it works. 1. Wear your fluffy socks out of the bag. 2. Wash and dry your socks as you would normal socks. 3. Spray the inner bag with the oil. 4. Put your socks back in the bag. 5. Tumble them for 5 minutes, infusing the oil into the sock. 6. Enjoy. The patented bag contains 1 pair of fluffy scented socks and 1 bottle of essential oil. Brought to you by TextileScents Inc.
I'm Grant West, and I'm here at the College of Textiles at NC State's University's campus. And right now, my feet smell amazing. They smell like lavender. And apparently, so do my shoes too. That's in part to this amazing ReScenter bag. Let me tell you the story behind the story. My mom loves to wear heels. After she started a job in which she had to be on her feet all day, she started to have constant foot pain. She thought she had to give up her love of wearing heels. She soon discovered that essential oils eased her pain and solved her problem. My father was thus tasked with the job of rubbing down her feet on a daily basis. He wittingly attempted to use his knowledge of fashion and textiles to get out of this husband duty. We thusly invented a way to regenerate socks with essential oils such as lavender, chamomile, peppermint, and rosemary, with the added benefit of being able to wear all day and night. Not only does this method create an easy applicator of essential oils on feet, it created a repealing aromatherapy use for anyone with stinky feet. Hey, just got these ReScenter bag with these smelly socks. They're amazing, brilliant. Lavender on your socks, brilliant. Take them out, put them on your feet. The missus don't think your feet stinks anymore. Brilliant. Let's get down to business. What are we asking for? As we are at the beginning stages of bringing this first product to the market, we're asking for the initial funds to cover our initial shipment for the materials for the production of this fantastic ReScenter bag. We need future investments from you to cover the costs, to develop the products that we need to raise awareness of the many benefits of essential oils. We wholeheartedly believe in this product. While this is only the beginning stages for TextileScents, we believe that this campaign for the ReScenter, which is fantastic, can lead in the research and development by being the bedrock applicator for all essential oils in many, many products for your health and well-being. Please visit our website at TextileScents.com. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest in our future development in our bid to make the world smell fantastic.